Hi there, my name is Stanley of Team Deberoo, and in this video I've got some very special news, so stay tuned.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Hi there, I'm Stanley of Team Deberoo, and the last 1.5 years or so you could have seen me in a lot of videos on the Deberoo channel. We have discussed a lot of things like campaign creations, getting the best landing pages or creatives, and a lot of extra tips and tricks for your affiliate marketing business. Today I've got a little bit of a different announcement today to make. We're not going to talk about any campaigns or any tips and tricks today in this video because today I've got a very special announcement. As of today, I will be passing on the Deberoo channel. Meaning that you can still get a lot of tips and tricks on how you can get more profit. You can still check out the Deberoo channel to see how you can set up your campaign, but the videos in the future will no longer be hosted by me. I want to thank you all very much for watching, and I hope you had a lot of success with your affiliate marketing business, and I really hope that these videos were a part of your success. Alright? But it doesn't stop here. Even though I will not be hosting the videos anymore in the future, there will still be videos on the Deberoo channel that are solely focused on helping you and your business make more profit. Alright, so once again, I want to thank you very much for watching and for all the kind comments that you've left and all the likes and the subscribes. So thank you very much for that. And I've really enjoyed the past 1.5 years making these videos and getting to know a lot of you guys and helping you out as a Deberoo coach as well for a lot of you guys watching out there. So thank you very much for that awesome experience. I will be passing on the Deberoo channel now, so good luck and good business, of course, to you, and I'm sure we'll catch each other in the future. Thank you very much, and for one last time, peace out.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.